Tesla just dropped a major bombshell. Tesla to accept Shib exactly this month. Shiba Inu Coin news. Elon Musk, who is notorious for dropping hints in his tweets and indirectly guiding his 57 million followers into the next big thing, is making noise and planting hints about Shiba Inu. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Today we're going to talk about how Tesla and Shib are related. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shib is doing on the 6th of March, shall we? The market has closed bullish for the day, with Shib reaching a high of $2,768 millions of a dollar. The market has been supported by a strong bullish trend line and is now approaching the resistance level at $3,176 millions of a dollar. A break above this level could see the market reach its next target at $354.10 millions of a dollar. According to the Shiba Inu price analysis, the relative strength index score is 51, indicating a stable cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the RSI falls within the upper neutral range. Following a downward trend shows depreciation and signifies sales exceeding sales activity, resulting in a lower RSI score. The Shiba Inu price analysis shows a market following a bullish trend and exhibiting bearish possibilities. The bulls presently dominate the market, with a reversal appearing unlikely. However, the market has considerable potential for a turnaround, implying a bearish future. Now let's get back to the topic. Elon has learned that he has the power to post a tweet and get investors to follow, but he usually posts in a way that keeps investors on their toes. Nowadays, he doesn't share his direct opinion or analysis of a stock or coin/token with investors, but rather with a hint or clue in a meme post in a way which investors have to be smart enough to decipher to get in ahead of the crowd. It's an art that Musk has mastered over the years, and it has become a regular game of investment cloak and dagger for his followers. So how did this clever game of find the clue or hidden meaning get started? In an August 2018 scenario, Elon ended up in trouble with the US Securities and Exchange Commission when he said directly that he wanted to take Tesla private at $420 per share, and that he had secured the funding to do it. The direct message in his post cost himself and Tesla to pay up $40 million in penalties. It also cost Musk the position of Tesla chairman. However, Elon Musk has proven multiple times that he's the world's biggest eccentric, with an extremely creative mind. Figuring out ways to continue to be Elon and say and do as he chooses is his forte. Remember, we're talking about the billionaire that bought and crashed a McLaren F1 and wants to build a colony on Mars. So, as only Elon would do, he has continued to get his message across to his most attentive followers via making his direct point of the message hidden within a meme, changing how the subject keywords are used in his tweet, or as an off-topic mention or addition to his post's main topic. For example, on January 27, 2021, Elon posted about the Tesla Plaid Model S, but added that one of its features was that the car would allow passengers to play Cyberpunk. Following that cryptic tweet, the video game maker, CD Projekt SA, had a surge in its share price, with the stock climbing 12.6%. Although the tweet was directly announcing the Plaid Model S would start shipping, it was the indirect message in regards to the video game Cyberpunk that investors noticed and quickly acted on. Elon's tweet references the token known as the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu, and an even lesser known Floki token has gotten many of his most attentive followers searching for entry into the Shiba Inu before what could be a run that may go for years to come, similar to the rise of Dogecoin. Hardcore Dogecoin fans denounced the tweet as giving reference to anything but Dogecoin, as one would expect from traders that have everything riding on Dogecoin. The last thing they need is another coin taking attention away from Dogecoin. Their argument is that the mascot representing Dogecoin is a Shiba Inu. However, the attentive Elon followers feel they are wrong and are missing the next opportunity by not reading between the lines. They feel if Elon was just giving reference to Dogecoin and the Floki token, he would have just used Dogecoin in his tweet, as he has done so many times in the past. He has even mentioned putting a real Dogecoin on the real moon. The thought is that Elon wouldn't typically use the specific dog breed in reference to saying what he will name his pet. No one ordinarily says, "My Czechoslovakian Slack will be named Rover." They would usually say, "My dog's name will be," enter a famous Elon Musk keyword here. Elon's specific mention of Shiba Inu and Floki, and not his typical Dogecoin mention, is important to attentive followers. They feel that the specific words Elon chose were deliberate and important. Musk may wield even greater influence over Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. He has repeatedly expressed his affection for the token. Ahead of his May 8th appearance as host of Saturday Night Live, its price shot up. Then it tanked, perhaps because Musk joked about Dogecoin being a hustle, perhaps because speculators thought they were selling at the cryptocurrency's peak, or perhaps just because Shib moves in mysterious ways. But if ordinary investors start losing their savings after claiming to have fallen under Musk's spell, lawmakers will raise an alarm. And whatever action might follow could make it harder for Americans to trade crypto and discourage crypto businesses from operating in the United States. We all know Elon Musk loves Shiba Inu-based coins, and if Tesla accepts Shib as a payment method, it will explode Shib to 1 cent. Musk's recent behavior might have been disruptive to crypto exchanges, but is it market manipulation? That's unclear. Musk is not the first celebrity to tweet celebratory and forward-looking statements about crypto, said Yongkun Guo, a partner at Goldstein & Clinton who specializes in securities law related to cryptocurrency. Unlike other social media influencers and celebrities that have gotten in trouble with the SEC, Musk was not paid by any of these tokens projects to boost up the price. He might not be the only one moving markets via social media, remember GameStop? But even if these actions aren't illegal, they are drawing scrutiny from regulators and Congress. Is Shiba Inu a good long-term investment? Interestingly, Shiba Inu started as a joke, created around the hype to compete with Dogecoin. Right now, however, it's anything but a joke. Its developers are rushing against time and trying to give it credence by establishing the Shibaswap decentralized exchange and trying to have the token listed on key exchanges. How the exchange and listing with the popular pans out will, to a large extent, determine whether Shiba Inu is a sustainable brand or if it will fall off the crypto map. But is it a good long-term investment, and how much can I make from buying Shib tokens today? Well, Shiba Inu can, if only it sustains the current momentum, and we will examine how rich a Shib token investment can make you by way of an example. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!